So I wanted a bit of extra functionality on my G7X Mark III, and I have bought the rig. So this rig is a UU rig, and it basically works as simple as screwing on the bottom. You can still access your memory card and your battery. All you need to do is just screw it onto the bottom. I'll use a little screwdriver bit here from there, and it's as simple as just screwing it on. You can use a coin or something to tighten it down. You tighten it down just like that, and you'll see you have got another tripod mount, so you can have it on your tripod. You can still access your battery and your memory card, which is great. It adds a little bit size to the camera, which gives it a nicer hold. So you can see holding wise, you've got like a nicer feel on there. I've got the silver and black. And from the back, what does it look like? So you can see it's got like a nice little rubber there now, so you can hold it. And the best thing here is obviously the functionality there. Why would you want that? Well, you can add a nice little light on for vlogging purposes. Obviously that's a blue color at the moment, but you don't really want blue. But let me show you how it would work. So you can do that, and now you've got a nice little vlogging setup with a little light just off the side, just lighting half of your face, which actually works very nicely, and the rig holds it nice. And the best thing here is, if you're traveling, you can simply just unscrew that, and look at that sizing. You got two little things now you can put in your bag. Lights, microphones, it works great as well. So if you have a wireless microphone, you can attach it on the side, plug it into your camera, and you see that wireless mic will go into the camera, and you've got your other unit on yourself. So yeah, overall I'm happy with the size of it, and I can access everything I need to access. I can still put a plate on there, and it feels nice, it looks nice, it doesn't take away from the camera, so I would recommend it.